How to group FaceTime on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the FaceTime application on your phone. Once you're here, you can view all your FaceTime contacts. Tap on the New Call button at the bottom as shown. Now, search for or select the person you want to call from the suggestions given. You can add more than one person if you want to make a group call. Note that you can add up to 32 people for a group call. After adding, go to the bottom left corner and tap on the link icon. This is the link to this FaceTime group call. You can copy this link and share this with other friends if you want them to join the call as well. Now, go back and tap on the call button to start the group call. On this screen, tap on the people at the top. Here, tap on the leave button if you want to end the call. Following these steps, you can easily group FaceTime on iPhone.